Construction materials focuses on testing the quality of materials like concrete, asphalt, soil, steel, and aggregate to ensure they meet engineering and regulatory standards before being used in civil works. To support these, the Department of Public Works and Highways Regional Office 8 launched the second batch of a 24-day training on material testing technology. This program equips trainees with the proper skills in material sampling and testing both in the laboratory and on-site. A special thanks to our dear speakers, Engineer Ryujan Arcabal and Engineer Sheena Lou Ramos. All procedures follow the standards set by the department as well as international and national standards such as American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, American Society for Testing and Materials, International Organization of Standardization, and Philippine National Standards. As part of the training, several laboratory tests were conducted. Here's a short compilation of the testing procedures performed by Quality Team. To start with, let's begin protecting ourselves by using a personal protective equipment, a face mask. At this time, for our fine aggregate preparation, we prepare these sieves. So we begin placing lahat ng pakas to 3-8 na sieve number. Then number 4, number 8, number 16, number 30, number 50, number 100, 200, and all that is retained to the pan. So here's the simplified procedure. We begin with step number 1. We get samples by conducting a quartering method and also weigh the container to be used. Step 2, weigh the soil sample with the container. Step 3, oven dry the sample for 2 to 4 hours. Then cool the oven dried sample. Then step 4, weigh the oven dried sample. Step 5, wash the oven dried sample. Step 6, oven dry the washed sample for another 2 to 4 hours. Then allow the sample to cool to approximate room temperature. Step 7, weigh the washed oven dried sample. Then at step number 8, we begin the sieving the sample using the required set of sieves. At this time, we record the retained samples to its corresponding sieve numbers. For the coarse aggregates, we conducted same procedure but must retain to its required sieve sizes. As a result, we were able to get coarse aggregates samples retained to sieve number 2.5 inches, 2 inches, 1.5, 1 inch, 3/4, 1/2, 3/8, number 4, and 200. Let us not forget, before leaving laboratory, let's ensure the cleanliness and orderliness of the area. Lastly, we can now use the values for the computation and final assessment of the materials used. We are the quality! And that concludes our first practical exam. Thank you so much for listening. Hello guys, it's practical